Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the very popular gospel hymn, The Old Rugged Cross, written by George Bernard around 1912-1913. Beautiful gospel hymn. So it's very easy to play, so let's get started. On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinner was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Okay, a very easy song to play. If you look at my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and the chords that I'll be using to teach you this song. You can download that and print that off and follow along with us as we learn together. Okay, the chords used in this song are very easy. They're all open chords. It'll be the chords of G major, C, D7, and D major, G7, and A minor 7. So those are the chords that will be used to play this song. So just a quick review of the chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 6 of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4 on the very bottom E string, the 1st string on the 3rd fret, and strum all strings. That is G major. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, and then finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 on the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string, and that'll be C major. Okay, the next chord is D7. D7, you just keep finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret. Finger number 2 goes on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 goes on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. D7. Okay, now to play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D major. Okay, to play G7, you place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 1st fret, finger number 2, you want to place it on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch finger number 3 on the very top E string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. That is G7. Here's G major, and G7, and that's used typically to transition from G to C. So you can hear what that sounds like there. Okay, and then the last chord, when you're in that C major shape, just simply lift off your finger number 3 off of the 5th string there, and then strum all strings but the top string, and that'll be A minor 7. So that's all the chords used to play this song. So the strumming pattern on this is just a simple down-up rhythm. It's played in 3/4 time, so there's 3 beats per measure, or 3 beats per bar. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's not like your typical 4/4 beats per measure, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be like down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay? So let's play the first verse. If you look at the chord progression used on the verse, it'll be G, then C, D7, back to G, C, D, and G. So those are the chords used to play the verse, okay? So let's sing the verse. It goes on a hill, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, D7, 2, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, back to C, 1, 2, 3, 1, back to D, 2, 3, 1, 2, back to G, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that completes the verse, okay? So let's play through one more time and I'll just sing it and kind of talk you through it again. On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. 2, 3, 1, 2, and I love that old 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so the verse is pretty easy to play, and the chorus is easy as well. So let's play through the chorus, and I'll kind of count the beats and talk you through the chords there, okay? Start off with D major. We'll start off with D major. So I'll cherish thee, O rugged 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, back to G, D, back to G, 1, 2, G7, 1, 2, 3, C, A minor 7, G, D, G. Okay, let's play through the chorus one more time, and this time I'll sing it. Okay? So I'll cherish thee, O rugged cross, till my trophies at last I lay down. Back to D. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Okay, very easy song to play. If you like this video lesson, be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. Appreciate you joining me today. You guys have a blessed day. God bless you.